Imagine a world where resources are used wisely, waste is minimized, and the environment thrives alongside human progress. This is the vision of Sustainable Development Goal 12, responsible consumption and production. Every action we take today impacts the planet we leave behind. SDG 12 calls us to rethink the way we produce, consume, and manage our resources. But what does this mean to you and me? For producers, it means adopting eco-friendly practices, using renewable energy, reducing emissions, and creating products that last and generate less waste. For consumers, it means making conscious choices, buying what we need, supporting sustainable brands, and reducing waste through recycling, reusing, and composting. Did you know that if global consumption patterns remain unchecked, we need the resources of 3 planets to sustain us by 2050? Together, we can reverse this trend by shifting toward sustainable lifestyle. Our collective efforts can transform the world. Choose quality over quantity. Support businesses that prioritize sustainability. And remember, every small act adds up to a big difference. SDG 12 isn't just a goal, it's a commitment. Together, we can build a world where progress is balanced with preservation. Start your journey today.